Learn Gujarati weather fast. How is the weather? 2.
હવામાન કેવું છે?
Welcome to Weather Theater. Hey, you are about to learn Gujarati weather phrases without getting blown away by grammar. Just listen, repeat, and enjoy the tiny storm of words. Imagine you open the window like a dramatic movie hero. The curtain flies, your hair does something illegal, and you ask.
હવામાન કેવું છે?
That means, how is the weather? This one question is your master key. Ask it before a walk, before a picnic, or before trusting that one friend who always says, it looks fine. So again.
હવામાન કેવું છે?
Sunny mood, dramatic face. Now let us meet the happiest weather sentence. Say it like you just found your missing sunglasses. If the sky is bright, you say.
ધૂપ છે.
It is sunny. Question.
હવામાન કેવું છે?
Answer.
ધૂપ છે.
Picture this. You carry an umbrella, 3 jackets, emergency snacks, and a heroic attitude. Then you look outside and realize.
ધૂપ છે.
Congratulations, you prepared for every season except the correct one. Rainy window wisdom. Time for rain, the classic reason to cancel plans and make tea instead. You already know how this story ends. When rain is falling, say.
વરસાદ પડી રહ્યો છે.
It is raining. Try the full exchange. How is the weather?
હવામાન કેવું છે?
It is raining.
વરસાદ પડી રહ્યો છે.
Funny memory trick. Your picnic basket sees dark clouds, quietly closes itself, and whispers.
વરસાદ પડી રહ્યો છે.
Snow, the unexpected plot twist. Snow is not the everyday guest in every place, which is exactly why it is memorable. Let the surprise help you learn it. You open the curtain expecting rain, maybe sun, maybe wind. Instead, the whole world looks like a cake with too much sugar. You blink and say.
હિમવર્ષા થઈ રહી છે.
It is snowing. Again.
હિમવર્ષા થઈ રહી છે.
If a snowman had a news channel, that would be the headline all day. Windy and slightly hair ruining. Last weather type. The one that turns your hairstyle into a public experiment. Ready? Say.
પવન છે.
It is windy. Mini scene. Your hat flies away, your scarf becomes a flag, and your dignity leaves first. You point outside and say.
પવન છે.
Full pattern again.
હવામાન કેવું છે? પવન છે.
Quick dialogue at the window. Now you will hear the phrases in a tiny scene. Imagine 2 friends, 1 window, and absolutely no agreement about what to wear. Friend A. How is the weather today?
આજે હવામાન કેવું છે?
Friend B.
ધૂપ છે.
It is sunny. Friend A. Great, I will wear a coat anyway, just in case my fashion sense forecasts disaster. Friend B. Or maybe.
વરસાદ પડી રહ્યો છે.
And then you will finally look prepared. Friend A. And if white flakes fall from the sky? Friend B. Then.
હિમવર્ષા થઈ રહી છે.
And we both stay inside. Friend A. And if my umbrella tries to escape? Friend B. Easy.
પવન છે.
Speed drill. Your turn. Answer fast, even if your brain is still putting on socks. How do you say, how is the weather?
હવામાન કેવું છે?
How do you say, it is sunny?
ધૂપ છે.
How do you say, it is raining?
વરસાદ પડી રહ્યો છે.
How do you say, it is snowing?
હિમવર્ષા થઈ રહી છે.
How do you say, it is windy?
પવન છે.
Friendly wrap up. Nice work. You just learned a useful set of Gujarati weather phrases, and your imaginary window has seen a lot today. Let us close with one last round.
હવામાન કેવું છે? ધૂપ છે. વરસાદ પડી રહ્યો છે. હિમવર્ષા થઈ રહી છે. પવન છે.
Thanks for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, use the phrases when you check the sky, and come back tomorrow for another short and fun lesson.